Well, how's it going, everyone? I'm Joe, and this is Random Fishing. Well, it's been a busy couple of weeks. Haven't been able to do any fishing. I got an hour or two this afternoon here to head on down here to the creek here and take a few casts, see if I can't catch something. A little chilly out today, probably in the low 30s. We just got to give it a try. Oh, that was a fish right there. I missed it. Now up the tree. Great. There we go. Oh yeah. You guys, nice smallmouth. Come on up here, pal. Nice little creek smallie there. Big bright red eye. Let's put them back. There we go. Real little guy there. Put them back. All right, so the bass bite's a little slow. I figured it would be with the cold weather and all, so I switched it up to the old red worm here. Let's see if we can't catch a bluegill, maybe a rock bass or something. There we go. There's old Mr. Bluegill. A nice one too for the creek. Easy, buddy. Let's put him back. Little guy there. Put him back. Yeah, they're getting smaller. Put them back. That's all right. They're all fun. There we go. Hey, a little largemouth that time. Little guy. Let's put him back. I'm gonna head on downstream and take a few casts. Last time I was here, I headed down here and never even got a bite, but hey, you never know. I gotta give it a try. Okay, so once again, I wasted my time walking downstream. Messed around down there for a little while and never got a bite. Getting dark early tonight with the clouds and all. I'll take a few more casts here by the bridge and see if we can't catch just one more. There we go. That didn't take very long at all, did it? Oh, he got off. Of course he did. Well, guess we'll have to try again. There we go. A little smallmouth. We'll take it. Wait a minute. That's actually a rock bass. Boy, he's pale. A little rock bass. We'll take him all day long. Put him back. There we go. That feels like a better one there. Oh, yeah. I mean, he's not a giant, but hey, we're going to take him. Come on up here, pal. There we go. Good looking creek smallmouth. Let's put them back. And with that, I'm gonna get on out of here. It was a little slow, but hey, we managed to catch a few. We'll take it this time of year. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time on Random Fishing.